Just got checked into the Bellagio. We are in the spa tower, room 17627. Let's take a look. This room is not renovated, but we chose it on purpose, and I'll tell you why in a minute. When you first walk in, you have a very large foyer area, very nice, and a mirror right here. Let's do the bathroom first. Beautiful. I love the bathrooms here, and this is why we chose this room. The renovated rooms don't have the tubs anymore. And I like that touch. For me, I like to be able to relax at the end of a long day. And so that's important to me. Beautiful shower though, it's huge. And the amenities come here in just full size. So you're not gonna get your little take homes, but they are so lovely. Lavender and chamomile and all of those spa smells. And they feel good too on your skin. Oh, we can't forget the makeup mirror. Glassware in the bathroom. Additionally, there's more glassware in the room. So I love that touch too. Let's just take a quick peek here into the closet. What do we have? Okay, you get 2 robes here and all your hangers and a decent sized safe. I've seen some small safes in some rooms, and they're pretty standard, decent size here at the Bellagio. Here's your entertainment station. Nice big TV. I don't know the inches, but you could look that up. And then over here are your non-free snacks. We all know the deal there. And then also here, don't use this fridge because you'll be charged. Everything there. Moving over here. Another favorite part of mine is the glassware. A couple of wine glasses, regular glasses, and a really beautiful ice bucket. I love the spa tower too because I like the colors. The grays, blues, greens, tans, you know, spa-like. Nice big table here to get some work done or whatever it is or just hang out. We got a mountain view. You know, a lot of people want strip views, and that doesn't really matter to me because at night when the Rio lights up, it's beautiful. And the new sort of light show they have over there is just super cool. And I like to look at the mountains at sunset. Anyway, over here is a great little seating area to kick back. Very comfy. And let's take a good look here at the bed situation. Big king bed. Storage on the end there, or whatever, maybe you want to sit there, I don't know. And then beside the bed, oh, let's point this out. You have drapery and sheer controls right here at your fingertips. Your charging ports are over here. You have some USB options here and a couple of regular options. Also over here at the desk, I did forget to mention, you're gonna get a couple more here. See, 2 regular plugs. Oh, I see a USB back there as well. So you're gonna have that option. There are open wall plugs. I bring an extra little kind of extension cord just in case we do find ourselves in a room where we're not going to have enough chargers. Some of the older rooms here in Vegas, you're not going to get that option. So see right here, another option. Charging here on the little clock radio, along with the charger you can just pop your phone on too. And beside the bed, 2 regular plugs and a couple of USB options here. So that's about it. We love the Bellagio, and I like the spa tower rooms.